Hi, this is John. In this video clip, I will take you through the final procedure for replacing a rear speaker in your vehicle. The last thing that we need to do is go ahead and take our speaker with that mounting bracket and slip it into the slots at the top of the vehicle, top of the trunk, and fold that up and go ahead and put that retaining spring into that holding bracket. And you're going to want to make sure to test this because you don't want that falling out. Now, with all vehicles, they are different, so this just serves as a guide for one vehicle. The last thing that you need to do is test the speaker to make sure it's working. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the accessories to my car, and it should work.
Guess my ears are burning, but I kept on walking.
And everything seems to be working properly.